Good morning from Graham Family Farm. Here are the Blue Star chickens. They're just a little over 9 weeks old now. And they're still kind of friendly. We haven't given them any special feed other than the feed they have, so I don't see any other reason why they come up and see you. I just think they're friendly. When they say, let me out of this pen. We've been out here for about a week or so. They seem like they're adjusted just fine. So anyway, that's what the Blue Star chickens look like at 9 weeks old. Thanks for watching.